Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Friendly English channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
You see the call, your heart goes fast, you think, oh no, what do I say?
Hello, hello. Hi, everyone.
Welcome back.
Welcome, welcome.
Today we talk about English.
Easy English.
Simple English.
English you need at home every day.
Let me ask you something.
Yes, tell me.
Do you know this feeling?
Which feeling?
You know some English words,
Yes.
but at home,
At home?
you do not know what to say.
Ah, yes.
You want to speak.
But your mind is empty.
Yes.
No words.
No sentences.
I know that pain.
Me too.
Today is for you.
Yes.
We help you speak English at home.
Simple sentences.
Short sentences.
Easy sentences.
Sentences you use every day.
Stay with us.
Listen slowly.
Repeat with us.
You can do it.
You are not alone. I am Emily.
I am Paul.
We are your English friends.
Yes, friendly teachers.
No stress,
No fear.
only practice.
And fun. So let's start.
Step by step.
Slow and easy.
First place, your home,
Your room.
your kitchen, your house.
English for home.
Imagine this.
You wake up.
Morning time.
You open your eyes.
What do you say?
I say,
What?
good morning.
Very good.
Simple.
Yes.
Everyone says it.
Good morning. You can say it alone.
You can say it to family.
You can say it to yourself.
Yes.
Good morning. Say it with me.
Good morning.
Again.
Good morning.
Nice.
Very nice.
Now you get up.
You feel tired.
What do you say?
I am tired.
Perfect. I am tired.
Short.
Easy.
I am tired.
At home, we say this a lot.
Every day.
I am tired.
After work.
After school.
After cleaning. Say it with us.
I am tired. Again, I am tired.
Good job.
Very good. Now you go to the bathroom.
You look in the mirror.
You smile.
Or maybe not.
You can say,
I look tired.
yes,
I look tired.
or I look good.
Oh, yes.
Confidence.
Say it. I look good.
Again, I look good. Nice.
Very nice.
Now breakfast time.
Food time.
My favorite. Me too.
You go to the kitchen.
You are hungry. What do you say?
I am hungry.
Perfect. Everyone say it.
I am hungry.
Again, I am hungry.
You open the fridge.
You look inside. You see nothing.
Nothing good. You say,
There is nothing to eat.
yes.
There is nothing to eat.
This is very common.
Very real life.
At home,
Every day. Repeat with us.
there is nothing to eat.
Again, there is nothing to eat.
Good.
Very good.
Or you see food.
Good food.
You say,
This looks good.
yes.
This looks good.
Say it.
This looks good. Again, this looks good. Nice. Now you eat.
You like it. You say,
This is good.
simple.
This is good.
Or, this is delicious. A little longer, but still easy.
Yes. Say it with us. This is good. Again, this is good. And this is delicious. Again, this is delicious. Great. Now maybe you do not like it.
Uh-oh. You say,
I don't like this. Honest. Yes. Say it. I don't like this. Again, I don't like this. Good. After breakfast, you clean or you don't. You see the dishes. Many dishes. You say, I need to clean. Yes. Repeat. I need to clean. Again, I need to clean. Or, I will clean later. Very honest. Say it. I will clean later. Again, I will clean later. Nice. Now let's go to the living room. Sofa time. Relax time. TV time. You sit down. You feel good. You say, I want to relax. Lovely. Everyone say it. I want to relax. Again, I want to relax. You turn on the TV. You look for something. You say, what should I watch? Very common. Repeat. What should I watch? Again, what should I watch?
good.
Someone else is in the room.
Family.
Friend. Roommate. You ask, do you want to watch this?
Yes.
Say it. Do you want to watch this? Again, do you want to watch this? Nice. They say no.
Oh no.
They say, I don't like it.
Or,
Let's watch something else. Good idea. Repeat. Let's watch something else. Again, let's watch something else. Great. Now afternoon time. You work or you study or you do housework. You feel busy. You say, I am busy. Short and clear. Say it. I am busy. Again, I am busy. Someone calls you. Phone rings. Ring, ring. You say, can I call you later? Very useful. Repeat. Can I call you later? Again, can I call you later? Perfect. Now evening time. Dinner time. Hungry again.
Always hungry.
You ask, what's for dinner?
Classic.
Say it. What's for dinner? Again, what's for dinner?
Someone answers.
You listen.
You are happy.
Or not.
You say,
That sounds good.
or
Okay.
simple.
Repeat. That sounds good. Again. That sounds good. After dinner.
You are full.
Very full.
Too full. You say,
I am full.
yes.
Say it. I am full. Again. I am full.
Now nighttime.
Long day. You feel tired again. Again tired. You say, I need to sleep.
Good.
Repeat. I need to sleep. Again. I need to sleep.
You go to bed.
You say, good night.
Perfect ending.
Say it. Good night. Again. Good night. Wow. We did a lot. Many sentences.
All simple.
All real life.
All for home.
Let's recap.
Yes. Slowly.
In the morning.
Good morning.
I am tired.
I am hungry.
In the kitchen.
There is nothing to eat.
This looks good.
This is good.
In the living room.
I want to relax.
What should I watch? Let's watch something else. In the evening. What's for dinner?
I am full.
I need to sleep.
These sentences are powerful,
Yes. They are simple.
but very useful.
Use them every day.
At home.
Now we want to hear from you.
Yes. You.
Which sentence do you like?
Which one is new for you?
Write it in the comments.
Type it.
Practice it. Don't be shy.
If this video helps you, please like it.
It helps us a lot. Subscribe to the channel. We make more easy English every week. Share this video with friends, with family, with anyone learning English.
Before we go,
One last thing. Practice time. Answer this question in the comments. Simple question. At home, right now, how do you feel? You can write, I am tired.
or,
I am hungry. I feel good.
write one sentence.
Just one.
We will read it, we promise. Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for listening.
You are doing great.
Keep going.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Good night.